In early 2022, Devon, Alberta launched the Clean Energy Improvement Program to help residents with the upfront costs of making energy-saving renovations to their homes. The program offers loans with low interest rates, terms up to 20 years, and transferability from one owner to another when a property is sold. Martin was one of the first to complete a CEIP renovation in Devon. This is his story.
I've been in this home for 25 years, right along the river valley. We looked at the garage, decided that we might want to heat it. Heating it with natural gas meant I had to dig a line in and put a furnace in, and that got to be very expensive. And I thought, well, I'm going to take that money and invest it in solar instead, because solar will be making electricity all year long to be able to heat my garage. So at that point, we put in a new panel in the garage, and we went underground to the house. So we've been kind of progressing along. We will be saving money. In May, we generated 625 kilowatts. One of the real advantages of solar is that if you're generating enough, then you can sell it at a retail rate. We chose the Clean Energy Improvement Program because I had an opportunity to have someone else finance solar for me. No one was going to finance the gas line, and no one was going to finance the furnace that I was going to have to put in. The Clean Energy Improvement Program just made it all the more viable, and we could do it a little bit sooner than we thought.
So the Clean Energy Improvement Program is a financing tool that allows homeowners to access low-interest financing to fund energy efficiency and renewable energy projects in their home. You can borrow a large amount for a very low interest rate. In Devon, it's only 4%, and we also offer an incentive of $1,100 for participating in the program. You can also transfer that loan should you decide to sell your house, so all of the benefits then stay with the home for the homeowner to enjoy as well. So you don't have to carry that loan with you, which is different from a bank where you would. With energy efficiency comes energy savings. So if you have greater energy efficiency in your home, then that means lower energy bills as well. Getting involved with the program is very easy. You start by going online and submitting a pre-qualification on the CEIP website. After that, the Clean Energy Improvement Program team really works with you to make sure that the process is streamlined and as easy as possible. So the contractors come in, they do the work, they leave, and you're left with a home that's of greater quality and greater energy efficient.
It's just common sense. It means that I can put the solar in without a direct cost to me right now, and I'm getting to invest in my future.
Alberta Municipalities partners with municipalities from across the province to offer the program locally, and has a full support team available to help you every step of the way during your renovation. For availability in your community, visit CEIP.abmunis.ca. The Clean Energy Improvement Program, a different kind of financing for renovations that make a difference.